A few years ago, a man named Felix called our office after his wife unexpectedly passed away. They had talked about creating an estate plan for years, but like so many families, they kept putting it off. They were busy, life was full, and they probably thought, we'll get to it eventually. But when his wife passed, Felix discovered that waiting had consequences. Because they never created a living trust, Felix had no choice but to take everything through probate court. At first, he thought it would be simple. He thought it would take a few months. Instead, it took almost 2 years. He thought it would cost a few $100s. Instead, it cost him and his family tens of thousands of dollars. And during that time, many of their assets were tied up. His wife had a business, and without the right planning in place, that business could not continue operating the way it needed to. Eventually, it failed. Then came the legal fees, the court costs, the appraisals, the paperwork, the delays, and all the other expenses that families never expect when they are already grieving. People often think probate is simply filing some paperwork. It is not. Probate is a court process. That means the court has to oversee certain steps before assets can be transferred. There are hearings, notices, deadlines, creditor issues, appraisals, and reports that have to be completed before the process can move forward. And that is why probate becomes so expensive and time-consuming. It is not just the money, it is the waiting, it is the uncertainty, it is the stress of trying to keep life moving while assets are unavailable, decisions are delayed, and family members are left trying to figure out what to do next. Felix's story is heartbreaking because so much of it could have been avoided. With the right estate plan, and specifically with a properly created and funded living trust, families can often avoid probate court and give their loved ones a much clearer path forward. That is the lesson. Estate planning is not just about who gets what after you pass away. It is about protecting your family from unnecessary court involvement. It is about reducing delays. It is about keeping your private matters private. And it is about giving your loved ones the legal authority and instructions they need during one of the hardest moments of their lives. If you have been putting off your estate plan, please do not assume your family will be able to figure everything out later. Later is when probate happens. The best time to create a plan is before your family needs it. At Celaya Law, we help families throughout California create estate plans designed to protect the people they love, preserve what they have built, and provide peace of mind for life.